So now we're going to combine our wet ingredients. We have our eggs here, and then we're going to combine the rest of our butter right to the pot here. We're going to do about a half a cup of milk, and this is skim milk, so not a lot of fat in here. This is fat free, so just go ahead and add that in. This is going to go into our dry ingredients in a moment or two, so go ahead and add that to it. We want about a quarter of a cup of our molasses. This is so rich, and it says full flavor, and you're not kidding. This is good stuff, and this is a real southern touch. So about a quarter of a cup of that in here. It's going to really make your gingerbread really full flavored. We want to have about a half a teaspoon of vanilla in there too. Okay, so these are our wet ingredients. We're going to go ahead and whisk those together.